In this lesson, I will explain to you how to multiply adjacent of A with A. These are the few more practice problems for matrices and determinants. So the question is, if A is equal to this matrix, B is equal to this, then we have to prove, then when we will multiply A, this matrix with the adjacent of A, it should be equal to adjacent of A multiplied by A, which is equal to determinant of A multiplied by I. So what is I? I is the identity matrix. Again, here I am going to write you 1 0 0. I'm going to write for you. So 1 0 0 1 in the exam. Write only they will mention I. You should know that you have to multiply determinant of A with I. I is the identity matrix. Then these three should be equal. So we will start from A. So see, A or multiply by adjacent of A, which is equal to A is 1, 2, 4 and 6, right? And then multiply by adjacent of A. Adjacent of A, how we will make it? Switch the position of this 6 and 1. 6 will come here, 1 will go there, and here you do not have to switch the position, only change the sign. If it is positive, make it negative. If it is negative, make it positive. This is the adjacent of A. So here we are going to start multiplication. First row with the first column, then same row with the second column. 1, okay, I will make this 1 multiplied by 6 plus 2 multiplied by -4, right? Same row with the second column, and here we use the positive sign, 2 multiplied by 1. Second row with the first column, here we will use positive 6 multiplied by -4. Here 4 multiplied by -2 plus 6 multiplied by 1. So we will further solve it. It is 6 -8. This is 24 minus 24. This will be -2 plus 2, and here -8 plus 6. So it is -2, 0, 0 and -2. So we will say, okay, this is A. Right? This is the first part. Here in second part, we will multiply adjacent of A with A. So see, here is A is first, then we have to write down A first. Here adjacent of A is first, so we will write down. This is the second part, but you have to write down here in a sequence. So now here we are going to multiply adjacent of A with A. So adjacent of A is, again, see, this is the adjacent of A, but I will show you one more time. Switch the position of these two. 6 will come here, 1 will go there. These two will be negative because these were positive. And then A is 1, 2, 4 and 6. Now we will multiply these two. Same way, first row with the first column plus -2 multiplied by 4, and then 6 multiplied by 2 plus -2 multiplied by 6. -4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 4, -4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 6. So it is equal to 6 minus 8. Here 8 minus 6, sorry, 6 2 times 12. This is 12. Okay, this is 12. And this is -4 plus 4. This is -8 and +6. So when we will multiply, it is 2, 0 and it is 0 minus 2. So see, this is called B, and B is also the same as we have A. -2, 0, 0 minus 2, same thing. Now third one, determinant of A with I. So determinant of A, how we will calculate the determinant of A? This is A. This is A. So here I will write down determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 6. So you have to multiply like this: 6 one time and 4 two times 8 is equal to minus 2. This is the determinant of 2. So minus 2 with I is the unit matrix or identity matrix. It means each element you have to multiply with negative 2, negative 2, 0, 0, negative 2. So see, this is the C. A adjacent of A is equal to adjacent of A is equal to determinant of A and multiply by A. So A, B, C, we have proved all are equal to minus 2, 0, 0 and negative 2. So here you can write down this A adjacent of A, all this we have proved these are equal. Right? Okay, one more question. If A is equal to this and B is equal to this matrices, then you have to prove B, and then you have to multiply B, multiplicator inverse of B is equal to I. It should be equal to identity matrix. So B, we know that this is B, but how we will calculate the B inverse? So B inverse equal to adjacent of B divided by determinant of B. Adjacent of B is equal to, here this is B, we have changed the position, it will be negative 2 and 3, and this is negative 1, it will be positive, and then this negative, right? This is the adjacent of B. And then determinant of B we will do directly, it will be minus 6 positive 2, which will equal to minus 4. How I did it? Multiply these two, it will be negative 6, then you have to use the negative sign, and it is minus 1 and 2 will be equal to minus 2. So it is minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to minus 4. That is why I have written minus 4 here. It means this minus 4 has to divide all these entries. It will be minus 2 over minus 4, 1 over minus 4, minus 2 over minus 4, and then 3 over minus 4. If we further simplify it, this B inverse, it will be equal to, this will cross out, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, negative 1 over 4, negative 3 over 4. This is the B inverse. So we have to multiply B with B inverse. This is B. See, B is given, but B inverse is not given. So you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of B. Multiplicative inverse of B is equal to adjacent of B divided by determinant of B. We get this. So B equal to 3, 2, negative 1 and negative 2, right? And then you have to write down multiplicative inverse of B. It looks that it is difficult because there is fraction, but it is not difficult. We will do the multiplication. First row, and then here positive, negative 1, 1 multiplied by this. Same row, multiply by minus 3 over 4, right? 3, 1 over 4 and 1. And then 2 multiply by 1 over 2 plus negative 2 multiply by 1 over 2. Here 2 multiply by 1 over 4 plus negative 2 multiply by negative 3 over 4. And then here, see, it will be equal to 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2, and this will be equal to 1 minus 1. This is negative 3 over 4. This is positive 3 over 4. And this is negative 1 over 2. This is 2, 8. And then this will be equal to This is B inverse 2 1 over 4, which is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Right, and when we will simplify it, it is equal to, this is 0, this is 0, 1 0 0 and 1. Right, this is the identity matrix. So B multiplied by B negative inverse equal to I, we have proved it, 1 0 0 1, which is the identity matrix. Now you have to multiply B inverse, this thing we already have calculated here, this you have to multiply by this, right? B, here is B inverse and then B, it means you have to write down this first, this second, multiply it, the answer should be the same, 1001. And this is your homework. Now I want to involve yourself. If you cannot solve it, try one more time. If again it is not clear, you can write down in comment section, I will solve for you. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.